Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will learn about the daily communications, mean how we communicate with others, in which genre, in which situations. So we will look all these things step by step. And today we are going to learn the topic how to request someone and how to respond the request. Mean these are the two topics. So let's start our today topics. Mean requesting, offering. We have done the offering and how to respond to the ball. For example, if someone requests you, so how to answer that request, how to respond it, and if someone just offering you something, and how to accept that offer. This one is our today topic. So first of all is request. Mean how to make request in English in formal situation, in formal wording, in formal vocabulary we can say. Okay, so making request, asking someone to do something for you. For example, if you need some help, so how to make the request to your persons you have, that you should help me, could you help me, would you help me, can you help me, will you help me, do you have some time to help me, like in this way. So these are the formal sentences, to just request someone, like, could you open the door for me, please? Without please, we can make the request. Would you mind opening the door for me, please? Can you open the door for me, please? Can I use the computer? Could I borrow some money from you, please? Like these are the some sentences and very formal sentences in which we can just make the request formally. And there is a speaking tips, mean how to speak these ones. First step is that could and can are followed by the verb without to. Could you mind is followed by the verb ing. Could is more polite than can, and do you mind if is followed by the verb in the present tense, and the like would you mind if is followed by the verb in the past tense. And when you are using these two sentences, don't use please, because would and could is also like a polite way to make the request, so there is no need to just put the please over there, so avoid it to use. Okay, it's already polite enough, I think so. So could you open the door? So here please is not mandatory, not compulsory. There is no compulsion to just say please, because you are also in polite mode, and this is enough to start with the modal verb mean could or would. Okay, examples of could and would, like in this one, could you open the door, please? Same again, these are the same instances as we done. And there is a conditions which if you had $1 million, I would buy a new sports car. This one is not like a requestive mood. This one is like a wish and anything else we can say. Okay, so modal verbs. Here we can use only the modal verbs, mean to request someone, asking someone to do something. I captured this one from the AE websites, mean American English at State. So would mean very polite, would very polite, will less polite, and can less polite. So there is the difference and diversity between them is here, that would you please turn on the light, would you help me carry these please. The first one is very informative, the second one is also. Here we are not using the word please because these are too much polite and enough politeness over here, so why we are using please, kindly. So this will not be like formal. Could you please bring me coffee? Could you lend me your car for a day? Will you get the door, please? Here you should mention the please because you are using these two. These are the less polites, we can say. Can you lend me your book? Can you give me your hand? Okay, when someone offer you or you are going to offer someone, how we will communicate with that thing. Okay, you can make an offer using that can I, shall I, would you like me to, do you like that, anything else for me, let me help you, let me do your work, let me ask something, let me help you. Like these are the some sentences we can use here. Okay, for example, these are some instances. For example, can I help you? Shall I open the window for you? Would you like another coffee? Would you like me to answer the phone? I will do the photocopying if you like. Shall, I can, shall, can, and will are followed by the verb without to. Shall is particularly British English in its more formals, and then can. Would you like is followed by the either by a noun or an object pronoun and the verb too. So responding, how to respond your offer. So can I help you? Yes, please. I would like to know that time, what time the train leaves. Can I help you? No, thanks. For example, if you need nothing, so you can say no, thank you, and no thanks. I'm just looking. Shall I open the window for you? Yes, please. That would be very kind of you. This response is very formal. Would you like another coffee? No, thanks. No, thank you. Okay, so this is also another instances. Would you like another coffee? Yes, please. That would be lovely. Yes, please. I would love one. Would you like me to answer the phone? If you wouldn't mind, if you could. Don't answer. Yes, I would. Yes, I would. Just like this one. And as this sounds like you expect someone to do it for you. I will do the photocopying if you like. It's okay, I can do. Don't worry, I will do it. Thank you. That would be great. Just respond the offering if someone is offering you. Okay, so is there anything I can do? Mean how to just offer something. For example, anything for me. Is there anything else I can give you a hand? Let me help. Can I be of any assistance? Let me help again, and give me a shout if you need anything. For example, so here is a practice. Do practice with your pair, with your buddy, with your colleague, and after that you will just get the good sentences. By using these all, you will be very proficient in using English. Thank you.